At last it happened. The long fight between Ripple and the SEC is over, and it has an effect on the whole crypto market. The real shocker is here. XRP's price didn't just go up. It went through the roof overnight and reached an incredible $9,987. This isn't just another pump or short-term increase. This could be the most important moment in the history of XRP. XRP holders are now seeing a huge change after years of uncertainty, legal fights, and price drops. What exactly made this jump so high? Was it because the case was over, or is something bigger going on behind the scenes? Also, what's more important, is this the start of a bigger rally? We're going to talk about how the lawsuit was handled, what caused the price to jump so quickly, and what's next for XRP in the crypto and finance worlds. Watch out, because this will change everything. Ripple and the SEC have been in court for years. The SEC accused Ripple of selling XRP as an unregistered investment in 2020. The crypto market went crazy because of this one lawsuit. XRP was taken off of big exchanges, investors pulled out, and the price dropped by a huge amount. When they fought back, Ripple said that XRP was a digital asset like Bitcoin and ethereum and shouldn't be thought of as an investment. The case went on for years with lots of legal terms, delays, and unknowns that made investors nervous. But it's over now. The final decision ended the discussion for good, confirming that XRP is not a security and that Ripple can continue to do business as usual. Not just for Ripple, but for the whole crypto business. This is a huge win. The lawsuit's result sets a legal standard and shows that the SEC can't just go after cryptocurrencies without clear rules. People who used to be afraid of XRP's future are now rushing to buy it again. But now, companies that were hesitant to use it may start to build it into their financial systems. This decision did more than just clear XRP's name. It made it possible for prices to go up even more than they already were. But what exactly caused the price to jump to $9,987 overnight? Let us break down the things that led to this quick explosion. When the lawsuit finished, XRP's price changed in a way that no one could have seen coming. XRP went through previous resistance levels and soared to an amazing $9,987 overnight, almost right away. How did this happen so quickly? The first and most clear reason is that legal uncertainty is gone. Companies and investors didn't fully adopt XRP for years because of the ongoing SEC case. When the lawsuit was finally over, the market gained trust again. The need for XRP grew like never before. The buying by institutions was another important reason. Large financial players who had been watching XRP from the sidelines saw this as the perfect chance to enter. Quickly, whales and institutions bought up huge amounts of XRP, which made the price go up with each trade. At the same time, the rapid price hike caused a lot of people to be afraid of missing out, FOMO, as word spread that XRP was finally out of trouble with the law. Regular buyers rushed in to try to get their positions locked up before prices went up even more. Adding fuel to the fire, big exchanges that had taken XRP off their list during the height of the lawsuit suddenly started trading it again. Millions of users who had not been able to buy XRP for years were now able to do so. When more money became available and institutions wanted XRP, it was like a perfect storm. The price went through the roof. Can XRP keep this price, or is this just the start of a much bigger breakout? That is the real question now. Let us see what the experts say and what might happen next. Now that the price of XRP has gone up to $9,987, everyone wants to know if it will stay high or if this is the start of something even bigger. They think this isn't just a short-term rise, but the beginning of a long-term bull run for XRP. The case was the main thing that stopped XRP from moving forward. And now that it's there, big banks, hedge funds, and regular people can finally stock up without worrying about what the government will do. In the months to come, this could mean higher prices and more demand. But there is one more important thing going on. Ripple's expansion plans, with legal clarity in the US. Ripple can now push forward with its global partnerships and expand its position in cross-central payments, central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, PPCBA, PPCB. and tokenizing assets in the real world. Before, banks and other financial institutions were hesitant to use XRP because they weren't sure how the government would react. Now, they can fully integrate XRP into their payment systems. If this happens, the number of daily transactions in XRP could go through the roof. This would increase demand even more and could push the price above all-time highs. Even so, there are still problems to solve. Some experts said that after such a huge rise, there might be a short-term drop as early buyers take their money back. After big events like this, the market often goes up and down. XRP's long-term picture is better than ever, but short-term drops are always possible. Many people think that XRP is now in a new phase where its price isn't just based on speculation, but also on real-world use and demand. This is because more institutions are using it, regulations are becoming clearer, and it has become more useful. These next few weeks will be very important for figuring out if XRP can keep its gains or if another big breakout is coming. But one thing is for sure, the future of XRP has never looked better. There are effects on many things besides just XRP from this lawsuit deal. It has the potential to change the whole Bitcoin business. Digital assets have been held back for years by unclear regulations. For example, the SEC has been going after different crypto projects without giving clear instructions. But now that Ripple has won, this is a very important case study. What does it mean for other coins that have been looked at closely if XRP is not seen as a security? This decision could make regulators rethink how they do things, which could lead to clearer rules for the whole business. As worries about regulations fade, big investors who were on the fence about getting into crypto may now feel ready to jump in. Big banks, payment companies, and finance firms that have been waiting for the law to become clearer may now move faster to adopt blockchain technology. This might set off a chain reaction where new investors pour money into Bitcoin, not just XRP, but the whole crypto market. This new age of clear laws could be good for Ethereum and other altcoins, which would send the market into a long-term bullish cycle. Ripple's win could also have an effect on rules that apply to countries around the world. Many countries around the world paid close attention to this action. Now that it is over, these countries may use it as a model for making their own crypto laws. The result could be that digital assets are used more often in traditional banking, making more people use cryptocurrency than ever before. But the confidence this gives people who own XRP may be the most important effect. Many investors stayed away for years because they didn't know what would happen. The lawsuit is over now, so people who own XRP can finally look forward to a future without constantly worrying about being sued. Just this change in attitude could lead to even more acceptance, since trust is one of the most important factors for long-term growth in any financial market. Even though the SEC's case against Ripple is over, the story of XRP is still going on.